This is a little different look at a substitution problem. In this problem, I'm going to let u equal x minus 6, which means that u plus 6 is going to equal just x. And also du equals dx. When we make our substitutions then, we will integrate 5 times x, and x, if you remember from here, is going to be just u plus 6. And the square root of x minus 6 is going to be the same thing as the square root of u, or u to the 1/2 power. Du is going to be substituted in for dx. Carrying that a step further and distributing the 5 and distributing the u to the 1/2, we should get the integral of 5u to the 3/2 plus 30 u to the 1/2 du. Fairly straightforward integration here. 5 times, now we have u to the 5/2 power, and that means we have a 2/5 out front, plus 30 times u to the 3/2, and we put that 2/3 out front, and don't forget your plus c. 5's divide out, 30 and 3 leaves us with 10 here. Cleaning this up, we end up with 2 u to the 5/2 plus 20 u to the 3/2 plus c. Lastly, we need to back substitute again from this substitution we had in the beginning. We end up with 2 times x minus 6 to the 5/2 plus 20 x minus 6 to the 3/2, and don't forget your plus c. Not uncommon for an x minus 6 to the 3/2 to be factored out. Not uncommon for a common factor of 2 to be factored out, but in this problem it doesn't really help us, and we'd be looking most likely for a multiple choice answer that matches this one. I'm just going to go ahead and leave this then as our final answer for this problem.